Good evening. Welcome to degenpal. My name is Shady BTC. On today, we're gonna be treating how to create accounts on Binance. This is the class number 2 of our tutorial on Binance. Okay. So, in case if you are joining us for the first time, please do wait to subscribe and also like the video so I can get to see that of our video. So, without wasting much of your time, let's get down to business. To create account on Binance, this could be done in two ways. Either by using the Binance mobile app, which you can get from your Google App Store or your Apple App Store. For the purpose of this video, I'll be working from the Binance web page. To create accounts using Binance web page, all you just have to do is to visit binance.com. When you visit binance.com, open the site on your browser. You look at the right top side of the web page, you see the login or the register. If you are visiting Binance for the first time, you use the register option. But if you are returning, like you have actually created an account, you have an account with Binance, use the login option. So let's try the rest option and see. So this takes us to a page where we are required to fill in our details. Okay. So to create account, we can do it using three methods. Number one is to sign up with email or phone number, to continue with Google, or to use Apple. Okay. So we'll be using a Google or phone number. Sorry, we'll be using email or phone number. So click on this sign up using email or phone number. Then here we are asked to either input our email or our phone number. So I'll be working with my phone number actually. So we input my phone number. Next thing you do is to click next. After inputting your phone number and clicking the next button, you'll be the option of where you're going to put your password will be provided. After then, the next thing is it will lead us to the page where we are required to input the same details which we used to create the account. So here we are, we input the details, same phone number, and we click next again. So after the verification, we're being asked to put our password. So we put the same password we used to create the account. Okay. So when you put in the same password, you still click on next. The next thing now is Google Authenticator. Okay, I know some of you may be hearing this Google Authenticator for the first time. Okay, let me just do a small introduction on it. Google Authenticator is just like an app. There is an app on its own that is Binance used to authorize every transaction. So before you be able to perform any transaction on Binance, you must use your Google Authenticator. So the same thing applies when you are creating an account. Okay, so to get this Google Authenticator, you can either get it from your Play Store or from your iPhone store, the Apple Store. So all you just have to do, you go to your Play Store, download Google Authenticator, you register with your Binance account, and you're good to go. So let's input our Google Authenticator digit. So after inputting the digit, the authenticator will automatically verify it by itself, just like the way you're doing on my screen right now. After the authenticator verification, the next thing is our dashboard. It will take us to our dashboard. So here is our dashboard, though it's still loading naturally. So as you guys are seeing right now, you are seeing your dashboard, my dashboard. Yes, you can see your buy crypto, market, trade, derivative, and more. Deposit, which is either to deposit funds, wallet, order. Okay. So one more thing I forgot to tell you guys is on that creating account with email or phone number, you can either choose one. So whichever one you choose, whether email or phone number, please, it's always good to add up to link up the second one, which is if you use your email, try to link up your phone number from here. Just once you create, you see link, just the way you guys saw the link email. You also see another option which is link phone number or link email, depending on the one you use. So it's always good to do that for the sake of security purposes. And in case of tomorrow, maybe something happened and you lost your email or you lost your phone number, so you can be able to access your Binance account. So all you just have to do is come here and link it up. Then after then, the next thing is you verify your account. Verifying your account, there will be a pop-up option here to for the first time you are visiting Binance that will ask you to verify. You should verify your account. So if you want to verify this account, this thing can be done using different methods. It can be done using your BVN, it can be done using your valid identification. So, but I really advise if you are from Nigeria, I will advise you to use your BVN. The reason is that BVN is always faster and always it's easier, less stressful and faster. But you can also use your international passport or your voter's card or your national ID card. But the disadvantage is that it takes longer time to get verified using any of these means of identification. So the easiest of them all is your BVN. That's why we advise you to use your BVN. Then after your verification, your ability to perform transaction will not be enabled. So you can now be able to buy and sell, you can be able to trade on Binance P2P, you can be able to fund your wallet, and you can also be able to send some funds out of your wallet. Okay. So though this is just basically all on how to create account on Binance. So please in our next video we'll be doing a video on how to deposit and how to withdraw fund from Binance. Okay. So just like I said earlier, this is just class number 2 of our tutorial on Binance. We've actually been treating Binance lately. We want to discuss everything about Binance, from all the basic functions you can do with Binance from beginning to the end. Okay, so thank you so much for staying around. Thank you for staying with me. Thank you for your time and everything. I just want to say thank you so much. So please, if you are visiting us for the first time, do well to subscribe and also to like the video so I can get to those who really need this video. And one more thing, please and please and please, in case you are interested in learning how to trade. I actually have my course and my class where I teach people how to trade Binance. Sorry, how to trade cryptocurrency, which could either be spot, degen, or futures. I'm also a developer in case you're interested. Okay. So thank you guys. Thank you for your time. Thank you for staying around. Please, if you also have anything you want us to do for you, a video you want us to do that you don't understand, I have a question that you don't understand, you can just hit me up, chat me up. I will definitely reply you. And also, I'll also drop the link to Binance on the description below. Try to use the link over there side to do your registration, so that you can get your welcome bonus, which is 30% of your initial capital. Okay. Thank you guys, and do have a wonderful day.